Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change Bitcoin address on Exodus wallet. So um, first of all, let's go ahead to our Bitcoin, for example, and let's click that arrow button, which is deposit. So on the right corner right there. Now here you will see your Bitcoin QR code and address. And as you can see, there's no option to change it. So what you will need to do is go back again, and now you want to go ahead and click the fourth button, so those four squares. Now from here you will see a lot of options, and you want to go ahead and click support, and you want to go ahead and choose chat support or email support. So one of those, if you will choose as chat support. After that, you can go ahead and ask them if you can change your Bitcoin address, and they will probably change it for you because maybe your Bitcoin address was leaked somewhere, but they should change it for you. So make sure to do this. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.